When you need to end a lease early, make repairs to the property, or take action when a tenant doesn't pay on time, you will likely require a lease termination letter. Learning what to include and how to treat them under Florida law makes the difference between things running smoothly or facing roadblocks after the notice period. Hi everyone, I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we're diving deep into the Florida Lease Termination Letter for rental properties. A Florida Lease Termination Letter is a crucial tool for landlords and property managers. It serves as an official and legal document to inform your tenant that the tenancy is about to end. But it's not as simple as jotting down a "you must leave" note. There's a bit more to it. Generally, the month-to-month tenancy will require a 15-day notice, but keep in mind there are exceptions. In Florida, the notice period depends on the type of tenancy you have established with your tenant. You might need to give a 7-day notice for week-to-week tenancies, a 15-day notice for month-to-month tenancies, a 30-day notice for quarter-to-quarter tenancies, and a 60-day notice for year-to-year tenancies. Now, we can't stress enough the importance of adhering to these guidelines. Skipping or mishandling this process could mean you land in court, face financial penalties, or even extend the lease automatically. In addition, you could be required to give back the tenant's security deposit, and you might not get back rent owed to you. Florida law generally requires a 15-day notice for an unspecified term and a 30-day notice for specific terms, but as we mentioned before, there are exceptions, so always check your lease agreement. To craft a legally compliant lease termination letter, you should include the full name of the tenant, the termination date of the tenancy, the full address of the premises, appropriate contact information, your signature and printed name, and completion of a certificate of service by including the method of delivery and date along with the signatures and printed names. With DoorLoop on your side, creating a lease termination letter is a breeze. We offer you two options to write your notice, PDF or Word. And here's the cherry on top. If you need the tenant's signature, DoorLoop provides an e-signature feature. No more hassle, just a few clicks, and you're done. And as a disclaimer, I work for DoorLoop, and this video is produced by DoorLoop. Furthermore, DoorLoop also simplifies tenant acquisition. We can help you syndicate your listings on popular websites like Zillow, Trulia, Apartments.com, and more. And yes, you can also screen your prospects in seconds right here. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to properly manage a lease termination process in Florida. To ensure everything runs smoothly, make sure you comply with all legal requirements at both the state and federal levels. And of course, DoorLoop is here to assist. We offer a comprehensive Florida lease termination letter template to help you get started. We aim to make property management easier so you can focus on growing your business. Click on the link in the description below. And here are some frequently asked questions. Number 1, how do you deliver a lease termination letter? You can send it by certified mail, or you can deliver it with a certificate of service. Question number 2, do you need a lawyer to get a lease termination letter? The answer is no. You can use a lawyer, but it's generally expensive. Instead, you can use DoorLoop for your notice requirements. And question number 3, do I have to use the month-to-month lease termination letter? You might need one if the rental agreement doesn't have a fixed duration listed or doesn't have an end date. Well, that's it for this video. If you want more real estate content for your business, make sure you check out our YouTube channel for more DoorLoop videos, such as everything you need to know about fair market rent and the landlord's guide to renting a furnished house. Remember to like this video, share it, and of course, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.